Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. We're going to bring you another 1965 Factory 5 Cobra. This is a Mark II chassis. It is titled as a 2000, and as you look at it, it's unbelievable. The paint is very vibrant. It has a little bit of metallic inside of it, and then you have painted on racing stripes which break it apart perfectly. You've got yourself a chrome bumperette up front, which is an option for when you're putting these things together. You can see inside there the radiator, and all the rivets are done nice and they're even. You've got your turn signals on the corners. You got a set of BF Goodrich tires, and then look at the body, how nice it is. All the panels are fitting beautifully. You've got yourself a set of side pipes, which is what every single one of these comes with. And the best part is, it's fuel injected. So you've got yourself a 5-liter out of a Ford Mustang, and it pushes out plenty of power for this lightweight vehicle. It's a single hoop design. That's the best way to get them. I don't like when they have the dual hoops. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this so we can take a look inside the engine bay. Here's your power plant. It's powered by a 5-liter. You got yourself a cold air intake. Your oil filter is up front right here. And then you've got a set of new belts. This has 6,000 total miles on it. Extremely nice. All the gaskets are nice. Then you have yourself a kill switch here in case you store it for winter if you're not staying in Florida, because we don't have a winter here. You've got the optional Cobra side mirrors so that the wind will deflect away from the windscreen. As you walk to the rear, you've got yourself the chrome bumperette back here. All the emblems are even with the paint. Your tail lights, I'm going to open this up. There's your battery location. They ran all marine grade wires, so I like that. That's nice. Your pop-up cap. And then you have a vented cap inside here, but it does give you that vintage look. Look at this side of this body, extremely clean. While you do that, I'm gonna go ahead and start the car from the outside because it's fuel injected. Tires have about 90% tread on them. Make sure we're in neutral. Oh, you have to push the clutch in. 1 second, let me get in there. Purrs like a kitten. You got a set of 4-point seat belts inside. If you want to take a look inside here. Set of gauges that are extremely nice, and it's a simple design, so I like that. It's not like there's wood grain inside here. Steering wheel is beautiful. What do you say we go for a ride? We're inside the cabin of the Factory 5, or the cockpit. You got yourself your speedometer here, your RPM gauge, water temperature, which is rising, it's charging. You've got your oil pressure, and then I believe this is your oil temperature. Yes, oil temperature, and then fuel. Your turn signals are over here. So this will turn left, right, high beams, or I'm sorry, your lights and your high beams. And then you've got yourself an auxiliary fan. Super cool. Oh, emergency brakes over here too. I think I can get it. I got it. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go down Ravenswood Road, test it out, and then you can decide if this is the right car for you. We're going to go through all the gears regularly, and I'm not really going to talk. I'm just going to let the car do the talking for me. You're going to be able to hear me shift through all 5 gears, and then what I'll do is when we get to the end, I'll turn around and I'll give it a nice little blast. I want you to hear this car. That's what the best part about it is. All right, let's go. Clutch is easy, by the way. Nice and smooth. Your clutch engages halfway at the halfway point, so it makes it really easy to drive. It's not jumping all over the place. Here we go. Feels really good. Downshift. We're gonna go over bumps here so you can hear if there's any funny sounds. You might hear my harness, but that's about it. It's really smooth. I'm gonna turn right here and then I'll roll into second and then we'll bring it back to the shop. Suspension feels good on turns. When you shift, it sounds like gunfire. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 954-363-2261.